Hey guys, what is going on? Jinzy Will here, and today I'm going to be showing you some right-click detection methods in Minecraft. Okay, so let's get started. So the first method is with the villagers. So we want to summon a villager. You want to summon a villager wherever you want the right-click detection to be. In this case, I want to detect if the player right-clicks this golden block. So we're going to set the villager there, and then we want to add some data tags. So I want no AI, so the villager doesn't start running off everywhere. Then we want silent, so it doesn't start talking and stuff. And then last we want the offers, or the trades, we don't want the villager to have any trades. So when you right click it, nothing shows up. So if we summon this villager in, there she is. And as you can see, if you right click it, nothing happens. It's just a blank villager, does nothing. Okay, so this is actually how we're going to right click detect. So if we set a scoreboard, and we can just call it whatever, I'll call it right click. This is where the magic happens. You want to have a stat, and this stat is going to be talked to villager. And basically what that means is whenever you right click a villager to trade with it, it will add 1 point to the scoreboard. So we're going to go ahead and create this objective, and then we're going to add a sidebar. Okay, and if we make it invisible, as you can see, when I go up to click on this golden block, boom, our right click scoreboard goes up, and you can use this scoreboard to trigger whatever you want. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and remove this for now, because I'm going to show you the second method, and this second method is with armor stands. Okay, so basically how this works is when you summon an armor stand, I'm just going to summon an armor stand right here. Oops. I want to summon armor stand, and then we have custom name, and then we'll have it, or we'll just have it diamond 1. And then we also want to show arms 1, and then we want the custom name to be visible. Oh, gosh, my typing is not so good today. True. Okay, that should do it. Alright, so we got diamond 1, it's got the arms, we're good. Okay, now we're going to add another one. It's basically the exact same thing, but this time we're going to rename it diamond 2. And set it there. Oh, and by the way, this method is if you want to have 2 right-click detections. For this villager method, you can only have 1 right-click detection, and if you have 2, the game can't recognize which, or it can't detect which villager you're actually going at. It's kind of hard to explain, but basically, if you try to do 2 detections on that, it won't work. But it will work on this method. Okay, so basically how this works is these villagers, each armor stand will be holding a block. Obviously, it'll be invisible, so the player can't see it. And when the player comes up to right click on this, whichever diamond block it chooses, it grabs the stone from the armor stand's hand. And when it grabs the stone, you could have just like a clock or something that detects when a piece of stone or whatever your item is in the player's inventory. You can just search it on YouTube. Like Dragon Oz did a video on that. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make items invisible in this video. So first you need a custom resource pack. I have a video on that. But let's see, minimize that. Okay, so you want to go to your custom resource pack, assets, Minecraft, and textures. Go to items, and here you get a list of all these items. So choose whichever item you want to make invisible. I'll do blaze rod. So what we're gonna do is open with Photoshop and Control plus, so you can zoom in. Oopsies, what I do? Well, let's rewind. Oh, okay, there we go. Alright, so basically you want to select it and then delete, and it's going to give you a transparent background, and that's exactly what we want. Then we're going to save as PNG and make sure it doesn't say copy. We just want the blaze rod. Save. We want to replace it. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and do another item. Okay, we'll do a bowl. Open with Adobe Photoshop and do the exact same thing we did for the blaze rod. Grab it, delete, and then file, save as, bowl, delete the copy, save, replace. Okay. Okay, so now if I refresh the texture pack, we will have 2 invisible items. Those items will be a bowl. See it right there, it's invisible, but it is in my inventory. And then we're going to have blaze rod. And these items, oops, I just replaced the bowl. Oh, there it is, okay. So I have both the items. And I'm going to go ahead and place them in one armor stand's hand. Okay, and then place the bowl in that armor stand's hand. So now, if we make the armor stands invisible, entity data at e type equals armor stand, and if we make them invisible, oops, yep, and remove their, or get rid of their custom name, visible, visibile, make that false. Alright, they'll turn invisible, and you can't even really tell they're there. And if I go up to right click, let's say on this diamond block, boop, I get the bowl. And then like I said, you would have a command block and a clock running to see if you have the bowl in your inventory. Or if I go up to this diamond block, or right click, I get a blaze rod. And then you also have another command block running to test for if you have blaze rod in your inventory. And then you can do whatever you want once it is triggered. So yep, those are the methods I found the easiest. I know that was kind of a little confusing, but I hope I helped you out. Please subscribe if you're new. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.
Everybody fucking jump!